Okay, Miss Swan is going to make a cheese omelette, and altogether there are like 6 steps. So the first step is to grate it. I wonder what is it, so let's stay tuned to watch it.
Miss Swan has never grated cheese in my life. This thing looks very dangerous. My mom used to say be careful of her fingers, so she never let me use it before.
So next, this. So next is also an adverb of sequence because it describes the time, it describes the order of the event, it describes what is my second step. So second is also an adverb of sequence because it tells me the next thing to do is to break the eggs.
Okay, so Miss Swan is quite good at breaking eggs. So how many of you have broken eggs before?
So the next step, the next is this. So next is the adverb of sequence because it tells me the order, it tells me about time, it tells me about the sequence of the event. What is the next step? The third step is to open the lid. So third is also an adverb of sequence because it tells me the order, it tells me the time, and it tells me the sequence of events.
Okay, so the third step is to open the lid. I don't think I will use the toothpick to open the lid. Usually we can use a bottle opener to open the lid.
Okay, so usually the adverb of sequence is usually used in recipes because recipes you need a step-by-step guide on how to do the dish. So you wouldn't want the person to write the recipe to just jumble up the sequence, right? So you need it a step-by-step, and the best way to achieve that is to use adverb of sequence, okay, which you will see a lot later. So we are going to write a recipe for the cheese omelette that we cooked just now on Cooking Mama. So if you can remember the first step is actually to grate the cheese. So over here, Miss Wong used the adverb firstly, the adverb of sequence firstly, because it shows the order, okay, and it shows the time. So any words that shows the time and order and sequence is called the adverb of sequence. So firstly, grate the cheese. So you need to identify this is an adverb of sequence. Let's go to the second step. The second step is to break the eggs. So over here, Miss Wong uses another adverb of sequence. Can you guess which one is it? Yes, the word secondly. So secondly tells us the sequence, it tells us the order, and it tells us the time. So this is the adverb of sequence. Ta-da!